HelloFresh Company is doing business worth billions by selling DIY food kits. You can definitely build a successful business around DIY food kits, just like HelloFresh. Here's a roadmap to get you started. Find your niche and develop a unique concept. HelloFresh offers a wide variety, but there's room for specialization. Do you have a passion for Thai curries or a knack for crafting gourmet burgers? Build your brand around a specific cuisine, dietary preference, gluten-free, vegan, etc., or even a meal occasion, romantic dinners, fun family meals. Think beyond just ingredients. Can you incorporate mealtime entertainment? Recipe kits paired with QR codes leading to instructional cooking videos or themed playlists can add value and set you apart. Craft delicious and achievable recipes. Develop well-balanced, flavorful recipes that are easy to follow for people with various cooking skills. Beginners might appreciate pre-chopped vegetables or sauces, while experienced home cooks may welcome more complex recipe options. Plan portion sizes to minimize food waste. Cater to single diners or busy families by offering a variety of portion options. Source high-quality ingredients. Freshness is key. Partner with local farms or distributors whenever possible to not only control quality, but also support your community. Invest in branding and user-friendly presentation. Design attractive, eco-friendly packaging that keeps ingredients fresh during transport. Consider using recyclable cardboard boxes with insulated liners or compostable meal prep containers. Create a strong brand identity that reflects your concept. This includes your logo, website design, and marketing materials. High-quality photos that showcase the finished dishes and the ease of preparation are essential. Develop a strong sales and marketing strategy. Decide on a sales platform. Will you sell online at local farmers markets or through a subscription service with recurring deliveries? Consider a combination. Offer in-store pickup options alongside online ordering for added convenience. Develop a user-friendly website for online orders. Include clear descriptions of your meal kits, high-resolution photos, and customer testimonials. If you're selling at markets, ensure your booth is visually appealing and informative. Market your business effectively. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your delicious dishes and the ease of preparation. Partner with food bloggers or influencers who resonate with your target audience to spread the word. Focus on customer experience and stay compliant. Make clear and concise recipe instructions with step-by-step pictures. Offer helpful cooking tips and answer customer questions promptly via email or social media. Price competitively. Research what similar businesses charge and factor in ingredient costs, packaging, and labor. Offer introductory discounts or bundled deals to attract new customers. Comply with all food safety regulations. Ensure your ingredients are sourced from reputable suppliers and that your packaging meets food safety standards. Familiarize yourself with local health department regulations and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. By following these steps and offering a unique and delicious DIY food kit experience that caters to a specific need, you can build a thriving business that rival HelloFresh's success. Remember, excellent customer service, high-quality ingredients, and a strong brand identity are key ingredients for your recipe for success.